Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Sergeant Shug from the Wenatchee. Today we're going to be going over a few different things. One is this background eraser app. So I use this all the time to erase lots of different sections of posts that I want to do. If I have a school or a logo or something, so I use this. It's free in the App Store, and it'll take away all of the background imagery. And it's a really easy tool that I can use in order to go in here and take away the background and make this image of my future soldier a PNG image. All right, so what you want to do is you want to erase the background. Okay, so there's a few different areas you can use the target color, but I wouldn't recommend doing that because sometimes you'll take away their face. You can do the target area, and you can target specific colors within a certain area. But one of the things that I really like to do above everything else is on the very bottom left, I click on that erase, and I can adjust the width of my pointer. I can erase all of that area just by using my finger. And the good thing about this too is you can zoom in. You can zoom in really close and really fine tune all the little details in here. All right, everybody, I kind of fast forward it for you. So on this top right corner, on the top left corner, you can see that you can change the background, okay, where you can really get some fine details. Okay, it probably took me about like 5 minutes, so you're welcome. I saved you some time. But yeah, you just want to make sure it is pretty well perfect, okay? That way there's no blemishes or nothing in your photo. You want a good quality, high-speed photo, okay? So we're just gonna touch up these last little parts. So when you hit done, okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit the top right corner, okay, and then you export it, okay. You want it PNG and maximum amount, okay. Then you're gonna click save on the bottom left hand corner, save to albums, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna email this to yourself. All right, everybody, yes, Sergeant. So I'm McGuire right there, American hero. Okay. Anyways, so I went ahead and emailed that photo that we just erased the background to myself, okay? So one of the things you need to do is open up PowerPoint, the tool that every recruiter has. Open up PowerPoint. All right, so when you open up PowerPoint, the first thing you need to do is adjust the width of your PowerPoint presentation to where it actually fit on your little screen. So when you go to, where are you? Design, okay, click on design on the top and go over to slide size, custom slide size. So I always just do 10 by 10. It's too easy, and it centers it all pretty, okay, and just delete all this stuff. All right, so there's a few different things that you can do for your background. You can either do like a plain black background, but what I've done is for one of my recent future soldiers, I did you could do a picture of like their MOS in the background. All right, so I went ahead and I downloaded some. All right, so she joined to be a 92 Fox Fueler. Boom. Okay, so you don't want to do that. Design, you want to format background. You want to click on picture or texture fill, okay? Insert picture from file. Click on your Army Fueler picture. Boom, money. There's your Fueler picture, okay? So this is gonna be too bright if we use it. So you're gonna click on this picture. Okay, you can do pictures correction, sharpness. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna tone the brightness down a little bit. There we go. All right, so next what I want to do is I'm going to insert a shape. Okay, I'm going to insert just a regular old square right here. Boom. Okay, I'm going to right click, I'm going to change the outline, go to weight, I'm going to make it a thick outline. I'm going to change the color to a golden color, and then fill, no fill. Boom. Okay, bam. All right, so next I'm going to insert another one. So So I did one kind of thicker one, and I'm going to do, I like the borders. It makes it look pretty clean. So same thing, change the weight. I'm gonna leave that the same. Change it to gold, fill, no fill, click off. And we might make that a little thicker. Alright, I like it. Okay, so next let's insert our picture that we erased. Like I said, like, I'm not the best at all this. I mean, I've just figured it out as I've gone. Alright, so I am going to crop this to where it fits. So I'm not clicking on it every 2 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to move her around. Place her around the edge here. Perfect, and I'm going to send her backwards. And send her backwards behind that frame I just built. Boom! Alright, next let's get an Army logo on there. I already downloaded like her. I have the Chelan logo, that's her high school. I have the Army logo. These are all just PNG that I got off of Google. Alright, and then I also like to insert my station logo. Boom. Go Wenatchee. Right in there. Alright, so what else we need? We need to add her MOS. So she is a 92 break it down box. Okay. So with this, you can change a few different things. Definitely Alright, so we're going to use a style that I like to use called Book Antiqua. Right? So, Book Antiqua. I like how clean it is. It's sharp, it's good. And we're going to say MOS at the beginning of this. And then, just so it pops, I'm going to change the color of this text to that gold. Boom. And then I'm going to change 92 Fox. I'm going to change that to a white. And look at that. Yeah, that's good. Alright. I'm going to add a line underneath that. I'm going to change this color to a golden color. And then I'm going to add another text. Okay, so you can be creative as you want with this. It's a tool that allows you to be very make your posts stand out. Instead of just reposting other people's stuff, you can do motivational quotes. You can do like meet your recruiter posts, introductions of like who you are, and like you could use this for so many different things. All it takes is just the time to do it. You gotta take the time to do this stuff. Alright, another text box. Boom. Change to Book Antiqua. Petroleum supply specialist. Center that. I'm going to change it. Let's do that gold again. Boom. Alright. Center it right there. Alright, what else? Let's say welcome to the Army family. So we're going to insert, boom. Or you know what? Instead of doing that, we'll make this easy on us, right? Copy, paste. Welcome. Oh. That's almost too big. Once again, I'm going to change the colors a little bit, and I am going to add some lines. Let's do a white line and then 2 gold lines. Make sure this is centered. Once again, boom. All right. So we'll do 1 white line. You're like, oh, why don't you just underline it? Well, because I like to do it like this. Okay, stop. Plus, you can't do underline different colors. Alright, so we're going to copy, paste, drag that down here, just extend it. Boom, welcome to the Army family. I like it. All right, right here I'm going to add her logo right here. Okay. All right, so this is another one that I went in there and I erased the background. All you need is just Google their mascot and then, well, bam, you found it. So I'm going to move you. I'm holding control while I do this. I'm gonna move that up. Move this up. Because right here I'm gonna be a good space to add her name. Insert again. Another text. No. Almost got me. So I'm going to do all that adjusting again. So I'm going to type her name. Private Arlie Meneses. Alright. Once again, change that color to make it pop. Boom. Alright, so now we need to fill this in. I am going to add you. I'm going to another text box right up here. United States Army Future Soldier. And the good thing too is, like, once you have these templates, all you have to do is just change the background color, change the person, maybe change the logo. Like, you already have the template already set up to where it's super easy for you to just change a few things and post it again. Alright, so right here I'm going to add a statement on why she chose to join the Army. So I asked her, like, hey, why did you choose to join the Army? Simple as that. And I wrote down whatever she said. Okay, so she said, I joined the Army because I didn't want to go to college. I wanted to do something different. Yada yada yada, right? So I am going to add another text box. So I'm going to copy this, paste that, change this to smaller, and I'm going to paste. Yeah, I erased that. All right, copy. Here, paste, and all right, where are you? All right, make this just a little bit smaller. I'm going to change it right here. I'm going to maybe extend it, and then you're like, oh man, you can't really see that. I got you. Alright, so we are going to fill the background. You can do a gradient fill, okay? Yeah, all I did is just right click it. You can change all sorts of different things in there. Alright, I'm gonna change that color to more of like a gray. And then I don't really like the boxiness of it. So what we will do soft edges right here. We'll change it a little bit so it looks a little bit smooth. There we go. And that's looking a little better. So everybody, that's pretty much the basics of it. I'm gonna tidy up a few things on here, but you pretty much get the picture. This is how you add your Instagram posts. Now, in order to save it, all you're gonna do, you're just going to save as. You're gonna save it as a JPEG. Right there. And it'll save it. Like once you're finally like complete with everything and you're satisfied with everything, save it as JPEG, email it to yourself, and then post it. That's pretty much my presentation, everybody. So I hope this helps you out in creating your posts, and hopefully everything goes well for you. Everybody, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it, or add a comment. If you want to see different content, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to create it for you. Also, you can check out my Instagram at ArmyShug. That's ArmyShug on Instagram. You can like, you can follow, you can see different ideas for different content that I've created.